Planning content for YouTube is exhausting, unless you have an AI assistant. Today, I'll show you how I used a free tool called Taskade AI to generate video ideas, plan uploads, write scripts, and stay consistent, without any stress or team. Taskade is an all-in-one productivity tool that merges project management with powerful AI. It's designed to streamline your workflow, enhance collaboration, and boost your overall productivity. In today's fast-paced world, juggling multiple tasks and projects can be overwhelming. Taskade offers a centralized platform to manage everything from simple to-do lists to complex project workflows. Imagine having a single workspace where you can brainstorm ideas, assign tasks, track progress, and communicate with your team all in one place. That's the power of Taskade. Taskade's intuitive interface makes it easy to get started, even if you're not a tech expert. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, with a clean and uncluttered layout that allows you to focus on what matters most, your work. Whether you're a student, a freelancer, or part of a large organization, Taskade can adapt to your specific needs and help you achieve your goals. But what truly sets Taskade apart is its integration of powerful AI capabilities. Taskade's AI assistant can help you generate ideas, write content, automate tasks, and even provide insights based on your project data. This means you can spend less time on tedious administrative tasks and more time on creative and strategic work. With Taskade, you're not just managing projects, you're leveraging the power of AI to work smarter and achieve more. It's like Notion, Trello, and ChatGPT in one app. Taskade brings together the best features of these popular tools into a single, unified platform. Think of Notion's flexible workspace, Trello's intuitive Kanban boards, and ChatGPT's powerful AI capabilities, all seamlessly integrated into one application. This means you no longer have to switch between multiple apps to manage your work. Taskade provides a comprehensive solution for all your productivity needs. With Taskade, you can create custom workspaces tailored to your specific projects and workflows. Whether you prefer a simple list view, a Kanban board, or a mind map, Taskade offers a variety of layout options to suit your preferences. You can also customize your workspace with different themes, colors, and fonts to create a visually appealing and engaging environment. But Taskade is more than just a project management tool. It's also a powerful collaboration platform that allows you to work seamlessly with your team. You can easily share your workspaces with others, assign tasks, and track progress in real time. Taskade also offers built-in communication features such as chat and video conferencing, so you can stay connected with your team and collaborate effectively, no matter where you are. You can create to-do lists, use templates, write scripts with AI, and plan entire workflows with just a few prompts. Taskade empowers you to organize your tasks, projects, and ideas in a way that makes sense to you. Start with a simple to-do list to keep track of your daily tasks, or create a more complex project with multiple subtasks and deadlines. With Taskade's flexible structure, you can easily adapt your workspace to your changing needs. Need inspiration or a starting point for your project? Taskade offers a wide range of templates for various use cases, from project management and meeting agendas to brainstorming sessions and content creation. Simply choose a template that fits your needs and customize it to your specific requirements. But the real magic happens when you combine Taskade's project management capabilities with its powerful AI assistant. With just a few prompts, you can generate ideas, write content, automate tasks, and even plan entire workflows. Imagine being able to create a marketing plan, write a script for a video, or generate a list of potential customers, all with the help of AI. Taskade makes it easy to leverage the power of AI to boost your productivity and achieve your goals. Click Plus New Project. Select AI Writer option. Let's dive into a practical example of how Taskade can streamline your workflow. We'll start by creating a new project and leveraging the AI Writer option to generate content. To begin, simply click on the Plus New Project button, which is prominently displayed on the Taskade interface. This will open a menu with various options for creating a new project. From the menu, select the AI Writer option. This will launch Taskade's AI-powered content generation tool. You'll be presented with a text input field where you can enter a prompt or topic for the AI to write about. Be as specific as possible with your prompt to get the best results. For example, you could enter "write a blog post about the benefits of using Taskade for project management," or generate a script for a video explaining how to use Taskade's AI Writer. Once you've entered your prompt, simply click the Generate button, and Taskade's AI assistant will start writing. Within seconds, you'll have a draft of your content. which you can then edit and refine to your liking. This is just one example of how Taskade can help you save time and effort on content creation. With its powerful AI capabilities, Taskade is the ultimate productivity tool for anyone who wants to work smarter and achieve more. Let's say I'm starting a faceless AI channel. I type in, "Give me 10 viral YouTube Shorts ideas about AI tools in 2025. In seconds, Taskade gives me a full list, complete with potential hooks and titles. Zoom into each title, for example, "This AI can replace 3 jobs." Next, I copy one of those titles and ask Taskade, "Write a 60-second YouTube short script for the title, 'This AI tool replaces your job.'" Boom. Intro, main value, CTA. Done. Now that I have a solid collection of ideas brewing and scripts taking shape, it's time to move into the planning phase. This is where we transform those initial sparks of inspiration into a tangible roadmap. We need to organize our thoughts, set realistic timelines, and ensure that every piece of content aligns with our overall strategy. Think of it as building the scaffolding for our creative structure, ensuring it's strong and stable enough to support the final product. A well-defined plan not only keeps us on track but also allows for flexibility and adaptation as the project evolves. It's about creating a framework that empowers us to execute our vision effectively and efficiently. To bring order to the chaos, I'm leveraging the power of Taskade, a versatile project management tool. Specifically, I'm opening Taskade's pre-designed content calendar template. This template is a game changer because it provides a structured framework for organizing and scheduling all our content efforts. It's like having a digital command center where we can visualize our entire content pipeline, from blog posts and social media updates to videos and email campaigns. The beauty of using a template is that it eliminates the need to start from scratch, saving us valuable time and effort. It also ensures consistency and standardization across all our content projects. The content calendar template automatically sets up a weekly schedule, complete with checklists and deadlines. This feature is incredibly helpful for staying organized and ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. Each task can be broken down into smaller, more manageable steps, and deadlines can be assigned to each step to keep the project moving forward. The checklists provide a visual representation of progress, allowing us to quickly see what's been completed and what still needs to be done. This level of detail is crucial for maintaining momentum and avoiding last-minute scrambles. One of the most powerful aspects of Taskade is its flexibility. You can easily drag and drop tasks to reschedule them, set reminders to stay on top of deadlines, and track progress in real time, all within a single unified view. This eliminates the need to switch between multiple apps or spreadsheets, streamlining the entire content creation process. The ability to visualize the workflow and see the progress of each task at a glance is incredibly motivating and helps to keep the team aligned and focused. It's like having a virtual project manager that's always on duty, ensuring that everything runs smoothly and efficiently. Let's add a new task to our content calendar. I'll add, upload shorts, June 30th, AI side hustles. This ensures that we have a clear reminder to publish our content on time. By integrating Taskade into our workflow, we're not just managing tasks, we're building a robust system for content creation that's scalable, adaptable, and ultimately more effective. This proactive approach to planning and organization sets the stage for consistent content delivery and allows us to focus on what truly matters, creating engaging and valuable content for our audience. Whether you're building a YouTube channel from the ground up, meticulously managing a thriving freelance business, or simply striving to stay productive amidst the daily chaos, Taskade AI is an absolute game changer. It's more than just a tool, it's a comprehensive solution designed to streamline your workflow, boost your creativity, and ultimately, help you achieve your goals with unparalleled efficiency. Think of it as your personal AI assistant, ready to tackle any task you throw its way. From brainstorming innovative ideas to organizing complex projects, Taskade AI empowers you to work smarter, not harder. Imagine effortlessly generating marketing strategies, crafting compelling content, and managing your team's progress, all within a single intuitive platform. The possibilities are truly endless. It adapts to your unique needs and preferences, providing personalized support and guidance every step of the way. So, whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, Taskade AI is the secret weapon you need to unlock your full potential and take your productivity to the next level. It's like having a superpowered coworker who never sleeps and is always ready to help. And the best part, it's completely free. Taskade offers a generous free plan that provides access to a wide range of powerful features, allowing you to experience the full potential of AI-powered productivity without breaking the bank. It's incredibly fast, boasting a lightning-fast interface and seamless performance, ensuring that you can get your work done quickly and efficiently. Say goodbye to frustrating lag times and hello to a smooth, responsive user experience, and despite its incredible capabilities, Taskade is seriously underrated. Many people are still unaware of the transformative power of this amazing tool, which is why I'm so excited to share it with you today. I truly believe that Taskade has the potential to revolutionize the way you work and live, helping you to achieve more in less time and with less effort. It's a hidden gem that deserves to be discovered by everyone who's looking for a better way to manage their tasks, projects, and ideas. I've linked it below in the description. Go ahead and give it a try. Explore its features, experiment with its capabilities, and let me know what incredible things you build with it. I'm genuinely curious to see how you'll use Taskade to transform your workflow and achieve your goals. Share your experiences, your projects, and your success stories in the comments below. Let's create a community of Taskade users who are passionate about productivity and innovation. I'm confident that you'll be amazed by the power and versatility of this incredible tool. So don't hesitate, click the link, sign up for free, and start building your future today. I can't wait to see what you create. And don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe to my channel for more awesome content on AI tools and productivity tips, and check out my playlist of top 10 free AI tools to make your life easier. There's a wealth of information waiting for you there, packed with valuable insights and practical advice that you can use to improve your workflow and achieve your goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.